Here we go, last one. Appreciate you guys hanging with me. And here we go. So why is it print sometimes? It doesn't anyway. Kirby, the dog going deep. You got Decoy, Jag, Browning, Lobo, Frankie, Bubba, Blue, the whole crew, man. A. Miller, Legs, Ruru getting into the mix. Zadabi, Nike had Decoy. Let's go. I'm gonna get. We don't hit it here. We're gonna hit it at some point. We're gonna hit a bonus regardless. Let's just say that. So here's the last of the first Optic case. I'm still in favor of doing like mixing in some contenders with this stuff. I think that would be a damn good break. All right. Whew, come on now. We're going gold out of the rip. 8 out of 10, Anthony Richardson. The dog going deep and getting some sweet love. So chain reaction, Anthony Richardson, gold guy. Well, that's a good start to the break, right? Wow. That's, well, let's go downtown now. What are we waiting on? Marvin Mims. But that's a real good start. I'll take that one all day. Here's a My House, Justin Jefferson. I thought we went gold again. That's over to Minnesota, Frankie P. And passing a grade, Joey B. Over to Cincy. Will Anderson and Teach Me How to Dougie. Going to the dog. There you go, man. 38 out of 69. And it's that late, I forget what, Boomstick said it earlier. I forget which one it was, but here's Cortland Sutton. A. Miller goes, I'm back. 299. Still in Cleveland. I mean, why are you in Cleveland when we're just pulling heat right here? Gold. Hey, Rich. You just hanging outside the IX Center? Are you searching the dumpsters out there? Hey, Miller. Boom. Esiason. 249. You're not really still in Cleveland, are you? That would be the worst. 199, Jason Witten. That would be the actual worst. Drew Sanders, silver. Alec Pierce. So did we buy some Panini 1 first off the line football in hopes that there's an error, I guess? Looking for base in the dumpsters. All right. I bet you if you go to Flannery's or wherever the hell we were at, you probably find some. That's true. Drew's probably on summer break still. Yeah. Well, that makes sense. There's a Brian Branch over to Detroit. What? That's 68 out of 99. Over to Detroit. Browning 51. Anton Harrison, 299. We just started. I mean, we kicked it off with a gold chain reaction. Anthony Richardson. That was a little first pack loving. Lucas Van Ness at a 249. We're just in box 1 though. Okay, little Jackson Smith back over to Seattle. The dog doing it at a 199. So, I mean, at least we're starting out. Marvin Mims, Breece Hall, 99 over the Jets. Another one of these guys. And that's going to be Harold Landry over to Tennessee out of 69. That's Jag 08. All right, that's box 1, man. Kind of wish they would change the format of Optic to like, I don't know, what, like 6 jumbo or 10 jumbos or something like that? God, it'd be so nice. That's all right. I still think it goes kind of quick. If you know how to rip it. I wouldn't even say less base. I would just say just less packs to rip. I mean, you know, because you could do, instead of 4 cards a pack, you could do 8 cards a pack and cut it down in half. Still put everything else, yeah. All right, so some insert stuff. I mean, kind of like how they did with Contenders. Travis Kelce. Let's see the downtown. Bryce Young, light it up. And another chain reaction. That'll be Bijan over to Hotlanta, silver. Pretty slick. I like those. This chain reactions. And Jaden Reed, Green Bay, just base rook. Icky Woods, get your cold cuts, Icky. Get your cold cuts. Javonte Williams, $2.99. Dalton Tank Dell, silver guy over to Houston, Kirby. Uh-oh, another one of these guys. Make it count. Eric Dickerson. I thought it was going to be Puka. 40 out of 69, Eric Dickerson. Rammers, Browning 51. There's Puka. And Kyle Pitts out of 79, little laser guy. Hendon. Christian Okoye. Last couple in this box, but one more box to go. Cade Otton. Dontavian Wicks. You know what it is? Nooner. I got power up. Here we go. There it is. Now the downtown rolls out. Keaton Mitchell. Maybe not that pack, but another pack. Quentin Johnson. There's a Miles Murphy over to Cincy. 18 out of 75. Auto there. Who's got Cincy? Ruru. You're on the board, bud. There's only 3 autos in a damn break. Hey, take that all day over to Miami. Go Blue, 78. 67 out of 149. Devon. I like it. Yeah, Roo. Here's a Quentin Johnston. I'm telling you, this red border, it's like an orange red. Basically, it's like the color whenever you bought the 64 crayons back in the day. This was the color that you're like, man, what is that? And I love it. I can't stop drawing with it. Out of 99. That's over to those Chargers. There's Clayton Tune then, out of 79, over to Arizona. That's Nike head. Chargers before that, Bubba B. Another short print guy, Stafford. Rammers, 149. Last pack up in this joint. Oh my gosh. Hey, Mike Allstott, over to Tampin and Straw. There you go, buddy. 54 out of 69. We got one box left. Let's make it happen. And if we don't, I'm still going to make it happen. I know, wrong guys. We're going to get it right. We're going to get it right, get it tight here. Come on, Decoy. Get the, I don't even know what. Spin around in your chair twice. I don't know, throw something at, if you have a neighbor in your office, and you can throw something at them without getting fired, throw something. Do something to change it up. We need that down. Oh, hey. It was the spin in the chair, because there is the down frickin' town. They do exist. We'll set that downtown over there for right now. Thank you, Decoy. Got Derek Hall over to Seattle, the dog, at a 150. The bounty will be plentiful. Jackson Smith, more. There we go. Hey, what if we hit 2 downtowns? Do I get doubly the bounty? Do we do doubly the bounty? I don't know. That's not even a word. Well, how about CeeDee Lamb? That's going to be at a 69. Sweating out that downtown. Who's going to take it? Here's Drake London. $2.99. Well, at least they're in there, and that's the exact format kind of that how last year was. Like maybe you'd hit one in a case. $2.49. Nick Bolton. So I mean it's a good thing. Devontae Adams. Silver guy. Last stack. There's your CJ. Okay, Sam Howell. Give me CJ Gold now while we're on it. Now, Derrick Henry. 149. Still, I like those little design guys. It's like the muscle emoji. Pretty tight. All right. Felix. 199. Tyson. Nothing. Still got some left. What do we got? Oh, just a regular lighted up. Oops. Rookie Chatter Island. Don't want that to go to the wrong pile. Chatter Island. Drew Sanders. Micah Parsons. Joey Porter. There you go. CJ Silver. The chain reaction. All right. Oh, laser. Mecky Blackman. 79. Going over to Minnesota. So we still got the old downtown guy. I think it's hey, it could be a rookie king. What if it's, oh no. What if it's a rookie king laser and not a downtown? Oh, terrified. Sean Clifford, Ricardo Williams. Don't you put that on me, Ricky Bobby. Decoy, don't. Cam Akers, 199 Minnesota, last. Pack loving. Tank Dell, A Rich. All right, moment of truth. We got one or we don't? Which one is it? Is it yes or is it no? Oh, that's downtown for sure, player. 1, 2, 3. Hup. Hey, them Colts. Reggie Wayne. Reginald. Oh, dude, that's so tight. We did get a downtown. The bounty right now goes. So downtown, Reggie Wayne, them Colts, the dog, doing that work. That's still kind of slick. I know. I'm glad to see that they are actually in there. Well, we're not going anywhere because I'm going to find weird stuff to open for us. How about that? Bounty time. You know what we need to do? Let's see if we can find another downtown. Got some freebie action. Let's go. How about 3 of these blasters? Maybe more. Just depends how good they are. These are on the house. It was the downtown bounty. Let's do it. There's one box. Hey, these are ones with the blue scopes, but also you can get those case hits out of here as well. So why not? How many packs is that? We got to do what? There's 6, 18. All right, we'll do one more. How about that? Come here, Optic. All right, that's not a bad bounty. It's like $250. And maybe we get something weird. Let's go. All right. The bounty. We hit it. Let's hit it again. And I'll do it again. Let's do it. All right. So, freebie boxes. Dalton Kincaid, Dontavian Wicks. 4 of the blue scopers. Okay. Aiden O'Connell, still slick. Quentin Johnson, DJ Johnson. Mahomes, Tyson. All right, little scope. Charlie Jones. Just a little base there. So these are all free. No one cares, so I don't have to do free boxes anymore. There's Chad Ryland, and that's the blue scope. Now I want to see another downtown. That's what needs to happen. Shut your mouth. Oh, I thought we had it. Still pretty slick. Silver, My House, Bryce. There you go. Devon Witherspoon, Derek Hall. But the blue scopes look damn good. Dontavian. I get nervous every time I see silver. Every single time. What's in here? Anton Harrison, Keaton Mitchell, and you got Kendry Miller. Oh, the Saints, little jersey guy up in there. Montez Keith Sweat. Quentin Johnson, Jonathan Mingo. So if you're like, this isn't hobby, you're right. These are just free boxes for hitting the bounty. We're hitting the downtown. So now we know downtowns are still in the hobby cases. Well, CJ, rookie recruits. And Paris Johnson, Cam Smith. Brandon Aubrey, Jordan Love. How is Jordan Love the highest paid quarterback? Blows my mind. Diane Henley. Nope. How about a little CJ? Blue scope in the face. Dorian Thompson. What are them, brownies? And Jordan Battle, Tajay Spears. All right. Last 6 of the free guy. Devon Witherspoon, Will Anderson. Will Anderson again. Cannot be Will Anderson. No, it's not. It's Josh Jacobs. There we go. Michael Wilson, Byron Young. Seti Tillman, Felix. And Tyree Wilson and Jalen Carter. Still a whole bunch of free stuff. All right. Cool, man. Well, this is going to get all packaged up. Yeah, I'm going to have to give you guys more updates whenever the stuff comes in as well. But appreciate you hanging. Hopefully everybody had a good time here just kicking it and getting back from Cleveland. It's been a long road this week. So let me get these videos uploaded. I appreciate it. Decoy, yeah, absolutely. Thank you for hanging. Have a great weekend, Decoy. Everybody else, you guys rock. I'll see you all very, very soon. Yes, I will. Thanks again.